In an election in which border security and immigration are one of the key issues driving the conversations, President Biden is all set to unveil a sweeping immigration program aimed at granting legal status and a streamlined path to U.S. residency and citizenship for approximately 500,000 unauthorized immigrants married to American citizens. This initiative includes provisions for work permits and deportation protections benefiting immigrants who have lived in the U.S. for at least a decade and meet specified criteria. Crucially, Biden's plan offers a route to permanent residency or a green card and eventual citizenship for many program participants. If upheld by the courts, this policy would represent the largest government effort for undocumented immigrants since the DACA program, which currently shields 528,000 individuals brought to the USA's children from deportation. The announcement, coinciding with the 12th anniversary of DACA, highlights Biden's dual approach to immigration reform, also facilitating easier employer sponsorship for dreamers and other undocumented immigrants seeking work visas. This marks Biden's second major executive action on immigration within a month, following his earlier invocation of presidential authority to restrict asylum at the US-Mexico border. Key features of the Biden administration's proposal include a temporary legal status under the Parole in Place program, aiming to remove barriers preventing eligible immigrants from obtaining permanent residency without leaving the country. Currently, U.S. law mandates that immigrants who entered illegally must depart and re-enter legally to qualify for a green card, potentially triggering a decade-long ban. The new policy seeks to benefit roughly 500,000 unauthorized immigrants married to U.S. citizens, provided they were legally married by June 17th and do not pose a threat to national security or public safety. An estimated 50,000 immigrant children with U.S. citizen parents are also expected to benefit, alongside undocumented stepchildren under 21 eligible for parole consideration. Administration officials anticipate opening applications for the Parole in Place program by the end of summer, but they anticipate legal challenges, particularly from Republican-led states that have previously contested Biden's immigration initiatives in court. The State Department is concurrently announcing streamlined visa processes for DACA recipients and other undocumented graduates of U.S. colleges, facilitating access to employment-based visas like the H-1B for skilled workers.